Before we get started, please remember to Before we get started, please remember to
Get it together.
Before we get started, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will be the first to know when we drop new content.
No, time out, pause. What the hell was that? You know what? I'm gonna take over. So you take 2.5 ounces of unsalted butter and you add it to your mixer. Then you add 10.5 ounces of granulated sugar and you add it to the mixer. And 4 ounces of peanut butter. And then 2 ounces of oil into the mixer. Add room temperature eggs. Room temperature buttermilk. He didn't put the flour to the camera on this one, but it is 8.5 ounces of all-purpose flour with 0.34 ounces of baking powder that he sifted together. Take it out, 2 ounces that you scoop into each one. I'm doing better than you. You over there mumbling and stumbling. So this is how we make the chocolate cupcakes. Okay, as you see, Chef has 2.5 ounces of unsweetened cocoa powder, and he mixed it with the 8.5 ounces of flour. You forgot to add the baking powder? Oh my God, this is so unprofessional. And then that's what it looks like. It kind of looks like the chocolate cake mix you got in the box. You're gonna add the 2.5 ounces of unsalted room temperature butter, throw it in the mixer, 10.5 ounces of granulated sugar, you're gonna add your 2 ounces of oil, your room temperature eggs, add your buttermilk. You're gonna add about 3 ounces of warm water. Add your chocolate flour. And look at that, when it's all done, it's all nice and chocolatey. So now we're gonna make the frosting and we're gonna work on the chocolate one first. So you're gonna grab 8 ounces of heavy whipping cream and you're gonna whip it up until it gets medium peaks. And then once it reaches medium peaks, you're gonna take 3 ounces of unsweetened cocoa powder. And you're gonna add 2.5 ounces of confectioner's sugar. And you're gonna whip some more. Whip. And there you have it. Four ounces of peanut butter, and you're gonna cream it 2 to 3 minutes till it gets a little nice and creamy. And then you're gonna just fold the whipped cream into the peanut butter. You're just gonna fold. Fold like Michigan did against Michigan State. Take one of your piping bags and you're gonna fill your piping bags with the chocolate and peanut butter frosting. And you don't want to overfill the bag. You want the bag with just enough in it. Now the fun stuff, the decorating. So here we have the chocolate cupcake, and we're grabbing our peanut butter frosting. Chef forgot to squeeze some of the frosting. Air pockets sometimes in your frosting, so you kind of want to pipe a little bit out, and then it'll pop more smoothly, as you can see in the chocolate frosting. And now for my favorite part, adding the Buckeyes on top.
Thank you everybody for watching the video. If you enjoy what you like, please remember to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you can always be the first one to know when we drop new content. Till next time.